Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 3.2 question number 1. Find x in the following figures. A. Here you see this is angle 125 degree. This is external angle. This is 125 degree. This is x degree. We know that. We will solve question number 1a. Find x in the following figures. Let us solve question number A. We know that we know that the sum we know that the sum of the measures sum of the measures of the external angle of the external angle we know that sum of the measures of the external angles is 360 degree. We know that the sum of the measures of the external angles of a polygon is always 360 degree. The sum of the measures of the external angles of any polygon is 360 degree, right? Then we can say these are the external angles of this regular polygon. Here see, this is the polygon, these are the external angles. If we add all the external angles, we'll get the value of 360 degree. Therefore we are writing here that 125 degree plus 125 degree plus x degree is equal to 360 degree. We add this one, that is 125 plus 125. You are getting 5, 5, 10, carry 1, it is 0, 2 to 4 and 5, that is 250. Or we are getting here 250 50 degree plus x degree is equal to 360 degree. Or you can write here as x degree is equal to 360 degree minus 250 degree. If we subtract, here you will get that here 360 degree minus 250, 2, 5, 0. We minus it, that is 0, 5, 1, 6, 2, 1, 3, 110 degree. Therefore, the value of x degree is equal to 110 degree. Therefore, you can say that value of x here is 110 degree. That is, here value of x is 110 degree, right? Because we know that the sum of the measures of the external angles of any polygon is 360 degree. We will solve question number B. Let us solve question number B. Now we will solve question number B. Here you see that this is the figure. You see, these are the external angles 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here you see, this is 90 degree. That means this is also 90 degree. This is 90 degree. It is given, right? First, we'll find this value of this angle, right? First, we're writing that we know that solution of question number B. We know that that we know that the sum of the measures, that the sum of the measures, we know that the sum of the measures, sum of the measures of the external angles of the external angles of the external angles of any polygon of any polygon is 360 degree, is 360 degree. Therefore you'd find first this one. You see, this is 90 degree and this is a linear pair. That means this angle is also 90 degree, right? Right? This is the external angle 90 degree. This is 60 degree. Here you see, it is given it is 90 degree. It is 70 degree and it is x degree. Let us find the value of x. Then if we add, that means we know that the sum of the measures of the external angles of any polygon is 360 degree. We'll add all these angles, that is 90 degree. First is it is 90 degree. 90 degree plus this one is 60 degree. 90 plus 60 degree plus this angle is 90 degree. 90 degree plus 70 degree. 70 degree plus x is equal to 360 degree, is equal to 360 degree, right? If we add all the numbers, let us add, that is 90 plus 60 plus 90 plus 70, this is 0. 9 plus 7, that is 16. 16 plus 6, 16 plus 6, 32. 22 plus 9, 22 plus 9, 31. That is 310 degree. Let us again add this one. This is 0. 9 plus 6 is 15. 15 plus 9, 24. 24 plus 7, 24 plus 7, 31. That is 310 degree. Is 310 degree. 310 degree plus x is equal to 360 degree, is equal to 360 degree. Or get the value of x as is equal to 360 degree minus 310 degree. 310 degree. 60 minus 10, that is 50 degree. 50 degree. Therefore the value of x is equal to 50 degree. We will find that the value of this x is equal to 50 degree, is equal to 50 degree, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.